This report made me 111.2% growth in the last 3 years with a drawdown of just almost 20%. In this video, I'm going to share you the results and reports of the Hedging Martingale EA, which is available on the MQ5 marketplace free of cost. I have done its optimization on the 1000 deposit on the gold 5-minute time frame. So now let's move to my screen, and here you can see I have deposited $1,000 with a leverage of $1,000, and the total net profit it made $1,112 with a drawdown of just 20%. All details you can see on this screen. Here are the total number of trades, and the most important thing is the win ratio, which is 92.24%. 1225 trades are in profit and only 103 trades are in the loss. All these important metrics are here visible, and now let's move down. You can see here the graph is nicely going upwards. At some points like here and here there is some drawdown, but this drawdown happens only once like this, and this is the 20% drawdown in the whole period of more than 3 years. And now let's move down to see the profit and loss month by month. Here it may be not clear. Now let's move to my website. You can go to the TradingBotLab.com. On this website, simply you need to go to the backtest results here, and from here you will see a list. It may take some time to load all the results and reports in your PC first time, and after that it will save the cache and something like that. And here you can see the Hedging Martingale EA. You will click on it, and the most important thing, monthly profit and loss when it was started the June in 2022, and you can see every month profit in dollars and percentage. Most of the time the profit ratio is about 2%, but in some month it goes highest to 10% and 11% in October 2025. Here you can see again the graph, how it is nicely going upward. The same thing, like at the same point it gives us a drawdown, and you can do analysis and also some metrics, and these metrics are calculated by our website. And if you want to see the metrics of the MQ5 report, you can simply go to the report section here. Let me show you here, like this one. Okay, so you can see all these metrics, and if you want to use this EA on your account, you can download all these files and set files for no extra cost. If you have a EA and you want to get it optimized, you can hire us, and we have a dedicated team doing optimization and backtesting process day by day. And if you become our VIP member, you will get a 20% discount on the optimization process of your desired EA. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.